Good Tuesday to you. Looking for sunshine today and much more fall-like out there with temperatures sitting into the 60s here as we head through the week. After a high of 73 yesterday, 65 is the average. That's what we're actually expecting today. Check out the records though. 87 degrees set back in 1933 and 9, the record low temperature set back in 1899, which actually just kind of goes to show you how volatile temperatures can be as we are in the transition month of September, transitioning from summer into fall. 1/100th of an inch of rain at the airport yesterday, bringing the monthly total to just barely over a quarter inch of rainfall. And speaking of rain, we actually have an update for you on what's expected with the precipitation levels here for the year. Again, just barely over a quarter inch of rain, which puts us at 2.22 inches below average for the month of September. Again, these numbers coming from the Watertown Airport. For the year, picking up 18.21 inches of rain. You put that into perspective for the entire year, precipitation levels about a half an inch below average. So while September has been mainly dry, especially at the airport, that's kind of where the official readings actually come from. But overall for the year, not doing terribly bad, only down about a half an inch of precipitation. So more fall-like weather out there, and again, a quiet stretch of weather. And with our overnight lows at some nights dropping into the 30s, some areas of patchy frost, certainly not out of the question. Satellite radar picture, there are a few leftover showers late yesterday from that cold front pushing through the region. The rain kind of lagged behind the front. But seeing a clear sky out there for us as we head through today. In fact, look at the bigger picture across the region. You can see rain showers pushing out of here. Clouds moving out as well. So that's actually because the area of high pressure is building in. Now the rain showers that were with that front now pushing through central and eastern Iowa, and then will continue to head out to the east as that cold front makes its way to the east as well. Temperatures, especially to the north where it was clearer overnight across parts of North Dakota into the mid-30s, where they're certainly seeing some frost. It's sitting in the 40s and 50s here this morning, and much drier air in place. Dew points dropping back into the 40s and 30s, so very dry air as we head into the rest of the week. All right, here it is with Futurecast. Again, that cold front passing us by, taking the rain showers with it. Now high pressure building in. That means mostly sunny sky. So pretty quiet here in the old weather center in the next couple of days. With mostly sunny skies, maybe a few clouds floating through from time to time, but overall, sunshine will be the rule of thumb here as we get ready to wrap up the week's forecast today. Mostly sunny. Again, just a few clouds. Very pleasant. High of 65. That's average for this time of the year. And then tonight, well, start out clear, then we'll see some clouds building through the overnight hours, so we'll call it eventually partly cloudy tonight. 42 for that overnight low. 7-day forecast, 60s for the most part, maybe a few more clouds here tomorrow, and again on Thursday. More sunshine through Friday into the week. In fact, high temperatures may only sit in the upper 50s, and seeing some of those lows getting very close to the mid-30s. And again, this is pretty on par with where we could see our first frost of the year, so certainly not out of the norm to be talking about frost as we wrap up September.